EPS is everywhere: packaging, insulation, decoration. Here's how it's made, start to finish. It begins with tiny polystyrene beads. Steam expands them up to 40 times in size. Now they're mostly trapped air, light, and insulating. The beads are then fused into large blocks. A vacuum molding machine fuses them with steam. Vacuum pulls out moisture, denser, drier blocks. Blocks are cut or molded into exact shapes. A CNC hot wire cutter shapes EPS to the millimeter, or molders form cups and boxes in seconds. The finished EPS goes into buildings. Insulation blocks, strong thermal performance, almost no weight. And sandwich panels for insulated walls and roofs. From a single bead to a finished building. EPS production lines, engineered since 1999.